latest on the transfer rumors, it looks like Mamelodi Sundowns are looking to loan their player. They are looking to loan their player, Rashin Duruk. Rashin Duruk, kuthiwa uDuruk uzolona kwiclub yase-Israel. Yabo, i-Israel iclub kuthiwa iMaccabi Petah Tikva. Uzospenda lo 6 months le e-Israel edlala khona. In another news, Stephen Aziz Ki wants to leave iYanga SC. Stephen Aziz Ki wants to leave iYanga SC. Orlando Pirates esathanda khambisa umdlali uGilberto one-loan. Yabo kwiPetro Luanda. Ispace sivulekile for umdlali wangaphandle uTshajoyini. But ke kuthiwa lana ama-club awu-2 ase-Egypt afuna ukuthenga u-Aziz Ki. Kuthiwa iWydad Casablanca isi-ophena ama-talks with u-Aziz Ki, ama-agents a-Aziz Ki. I-Al-Ittihad nayo isingenile kwi-race. I-Al-Ittihad leya. 2 unconfirmed clubs ala eSouth Africa asesende ama-offers. Sesende ama-offers kusele 18 months kwi-contract yakhe. Aziz Ki, one of the best players abadlalela iYanga, bafuna ukuhamba kwiYanga. Ufuna ukuhamba kwiYanga. AmaZulu FC aselone 2 players. Usiphephelo Majola usejoyine iDeGeneral FC on a loan until the end of the season. Benosenzo Ndlovu usejoyine iDurban City FC eyenza kahle lapha ku-NFD. Yabo, naye ulone on a 6-month deal. I wish abajita baba ne-season e-grand kula mathema abalona ukona. Mase beyibuya lapha kumaZulu babuye badlale ngempe. It looks like iKaizer Chiefs izo-announce soon i-deal kaMakapi Lilepo. It looks like iKaizer Chiefs izo-announce soon i-deal yalo mdlali lo. Kuthiwa umdlali usefikile already in South Africa. Kuthiwa ne-deal kaThabo Cele izo-announce soon. I-deal kaThabo Cele benalo mjita lo bazo-announce soon. Kaizer Chiefs ithenge ngempela. So far right now it looks like sebethola abadlali abathathu okuMorris, olomdlali lo benoThabo Cele. Yabo, istriker saseZimbabwe uTakuda Ben-Hura. Yabo, usefailile ukimpressa i-technical team yamaZulu. Yabo, ubenguma trials for ama-weeks awu-3. Ufailile ukimpressa i-technical team yamaZulu. Umjita igcine ngamsayinanga kaMaZulu. It looks like iMamelodi Sundowns izohambisa uLebo Mabowe kwiSikhukhune United. I don't know noma bazomlona noma iSikhukhune sofuna ukumthenga, but ke singesazi. It looks like umjita uzohamba ayojoin iSikhukhune United. iMamelodi Sundowns iyakhipha manje badlala abaningi yabalona. Yabo kushubile manje. There are many players abazojoin iMamelodi Sundowns. Another confirmation esathanda kwenziwa insukwini. Kimitim Erasmus has joined iKaizer Stars. I'm sure niyibonile le. Another player odlalela i-under 20 eSouth Africa. uPatrick Autata. Patrick Autata usejoyine iCape Town City. Former Mamelodi Sundowns winger uJunior Mendieta kuthiwa ngenzeka ayishiye iclub yakhe yaseGreek. Greek Super League club iVolos NFC after esedlale khona 6 months. After esedlale khona 6 months uzoba i-free agent. Yabo, any team la ku-Betway Premiership isengamsayina because njoba ezoyishiya nje club, looks like any team ekhona la ku-Betway ingamsayina. Asazi ke noma iOrlando Pirates noma iKaizer Chiefs noma uzobuyela kwiSteelers or Mamelodi Sundowns.